Today I'm going to show you how to make my helicopter using 350s. Alright, so we're going to inflate that. It's the same, it's going to be that 4-finger tail. Alright. I want it to be nice and soft. Give that a squeeze. Okay, we're going to start with the 2 pinch twists. Alright. Now, because it's a bigger balloon, we need this section to be bigger. Alright, so we're going to use 2 hands here. And we're going to twist that off right there. Okay. We're going to make our small bubble and pinch twist it. Alright. Now, we're actually going to take the rest of this and take this little tip here. And we're going to take that and twist that into the pinch twist. And this one, it takes 1 balloon to make the whole front part and 1 balloon to make the back part. Okay? So now we have our letter D. Okay? So we'll take our next one. We want that same 4-finger tail. Okay. Now, we're going to put that where those 2 pinch twists are. Okay. And this time we're going to do 3 hands. So we got the 1, 2, and then 1 over here. And right here is where we're going to twist that. So we'll make our small bubble, pinch twist it. Alright, and now give that a squeeze, and we're going to make our flower petal. So this is still a hand bubble, flower petal. And then this one, we're just going to do a 3-finger bubble. Okay, so we use that nice and soft. 3 fingers right there. And we don't need the rest of it, so we can go ahead and break that off. Alright, now we're going to put this up at the top, sticking up. Pinch twist is going to be behind it, and then this part is going to be sticking out the side. Alright, you can trim that off later. Alright, we're going to arrange our pinch twists up here so that they're on each side of this one. Okay, now we have this. Alright, so we're going to take our white for the propellers. And we're going to inflate it all the way. We're going to let out just enough so we can have a little tip to tie it off. Alright. Now, we're going to take this, we're going to split it in half. Take them, put them together. That's it. And we're going to take this and put it right here. And then we're just going to pull these apart, kind of square them off, kind of massage them right here, very softly. Same thing to this side. Massage it. Alright. Now we have a 350 helicopter. Alright. Bye.